Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to change the theme of your canvas in Power BI. Click on View icon at the top of ribbon of your canvas, and then click on the drop-down. This will give you a list of preset theme options. You can select any one of the theme. Your font size and text of the visual will be formatted according to the theme. I will select the Bloom theme. And my canvas theme is now selected. If you want to learn to create an awesome looking dashboard like this in less than 20 minutes, then click on the link above or click on the end screen video. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates. Also, don't forget to check out other Power BI videos on the BI Nerd.